Rubicon surgery has remade you as a Primaris Marine. You are now stronger, faster, and more resilient. You will take your place as an Ultramarine once more. Your brothers will know that you served in the Death Watch, but your dishonorable status as a Black Shield has been redacted from the archives. Should it be discovered, there would be questions. Lord Kalgar has offered you a second chance. Do not taint it.
Sergeant Ventia had secured the spaceport and handed over its defense to the king.
Ventia, no? The guards will be cleaning up bits of tyranny for me, brother. Lieutenant. Regardless, we have work to do. Yes, brother.
Stand by, Major. Sending Astarte support.
Thank you, Lord. We shall ready a counter-offensive.
The effects of the virus bomb are already wearing off.
My lord. Lieutenant Titus reporting for duty.
Have Sergeant Gadriel report to the bridge. How are your wounds?
Good enough.
I'll be straight with you, Titus. I have my reservations about your reinstatement. There could be questions, suspicions. I cannot afford discord among the men. Not now. You're a lieutenant now. Will that be a problem?
No, Captain.
Very well. We're facing a Tyranid splinter fleet. They engaged us on 2 planets. Avarax, a hive world, and Kadaku, which you already know. We're abandoning the latter. It's mostly Adeptus Mechanicus research facilities. We're evacuating critical assets and personnel. These defense guns are keeping the skies clear for our ships. The Tyranids have taken note. Get down there and protect those guns.
Captain, you wish to see me?
Sergeant, this is Lieutenant Titus. He'll be taking over command of your squad.
Sir,
I expect you on the ground within 30 minutes. Dismissed.
Lieutenant, forgive my hesitation. I am merely surprised by this development. As am I.
Sergeant Gadriel, the Absolver is ready to depart.
Brother Chiron, this is Lieutenant Titus. He will be leading our squad.
Is that so? Well, I shall be glad to have a commander of such experience.
Is the rest of the squad ready?
Already assembled on the flight deck.
Good. We'll leave immediately.
Maintain distance from the hive fleet. Do not engage.
What is our assignment?
Acadians have lost control of the orbital guns. We are to recapture them.
Lost them already? The
Tyranids are hurling spores of those guns in great waves. I'm impressed the Cadians held out this long. Brothers Lirio, Altarius, and Elian make up the rest of our squad.
Have any of you faced Tyranids before?
Only these past 2 days.
Then there is much to learn.
I look forward to it.
What do you think you're doing? It's deploying. Scouting. Stand aside. Pity the effects of virus bombs.
Sergeant?
Brothers, we are joined by Lieutenant Titus.
Welcome, brother. We are yours to command.
We leave immediately.
Yes, Lieutenant.
Sir, you served in the Death Watch.
Yes.
That must have been a great honor. It's a privilege to serve with you.
Approaching drop zone.
Let's go.
You see those service studs? Our lieutenant is over 200 years old. He couldn't have been born a Primaris.
You're right. And now he has your command.
On your feet, soldier! Move to defend our west flank! And get those heavy bolters resupplied! My lord! Major Sarkana, 8th Cadian Regiment.
Major, give me an update.
The wretched beasts have taken the orbital guns. They pushed us back to this encampment and are staging a heavy assault.
Lirio, take Altarius and Elion and remain here to secure the encampment.
Yes, brother.
Major, we must reach the defense guns.
Yes, my lord. Follow me. The situation here has deteriorated. Those foul gargoyles pollute the skies.
The Tyranids have the orbital guns.
They do. These unrelenting attacks make a counteroffensive difficult.
We shall take care of that.
Major! We've got more incoming from the east!
Move to reinforce the eastern flank. You, go with him.
We will assist in the defense.
Very good, my lord.
The numbers are endless.
We will see about that.
I hope you're keeping score, brother.
Oh, I am.
Here they come!
For the glory of Ultramar!
My lord, intelligence report closing in!
Direct us to them.
Sending coordinates to your Auspex display! My lord, we are preparing an airstrike. Can you hold the enemy in place until it hits?
Consider it done. Leave not one of them standing. Munition secured. For artillery! Reloading weapons! Restocking! I'm a numbers trooper!
Airstrike incoming!
You wretched creatures.
A direct hit, Major.
The 8th never miss! Everyone at this base owes you their life, my lords.
The Emperor protects. We must proceed through the jungle to reach the orbital defense guns. Brother Lirio, assist the Cadians while they establish new defensive lines, then report back.
Yes, Lieutenant. It will not take long.
The orbital guns are on the other side of the swamp.
Be alert. The Tyranids will be lying in wait.
This must be where the swarm originated.
These abhorrent husks are everywhere.
Living organic machines.
Indeed. Their ships, these pods, all of it.
Their very existence is heresy.
We shall thin their numbers today, brother.
Ravana, do not stop moving. War Gear Prime. Changing magazine.
expect better of the Cadians. Losing the orbital guns was costly.
And they paid for it dearly. But the enemy numbers are not insignificant.
The Cadian 8th will have to do better.
You're familiar with this foe, brother?
I am.
How do the Tyranids compare to other Xenos?
They are an unrelenting plague. But they are cunning. The controlling
Let us
influence
take
of
the
their
advantage
hive
and
mind
destroy
makes them
them.
act as one. Reloading!
Your combat doctrines are unorthodox, Lieutenant. Which company did you serve with before this one?
I served the Emperor elsewhere.
The Death Watch.
Yes.
I hope I too will share that honor one day.
Eliminate them, then proceed. Spore mine. Strapping magazine. I am Henry. My thanks for the assistance. Tunneling Xenos is dead.
The most direct route is through the swamp. Let us proceed.
No. The swamp will be infested with Xenos. There is a bunker straddling the riverbed. We will cut through there.
But that will add considerable time. Surely we...
We will not trade strategy for expediency.
As you command.
Lieutenant, Captain Akaran has given us new orders. You must proceed alone.
Understood. Thank you, Lirio.
See you on the Resilient.
There they are. The orbital guns. Need to reload. Munitions secured. Reloading weapon. Restocking. They never learn. Changing magazine.
Sir! I can hear reinforcements!
I love the old soldiers now.
You will desert your post, guardsman.
No, Lord. Never!
We've locked them in. We can do no more.
Open the gate.
Yes, my lord. Open the gates! Sir, you said open the bloody gates!
This will serve me well.
Another wave. We can't hold them.
Serve your emperor something. Trying to get up here. Into position. Do not let them surround you. Frag grenade deployed. Are you not the Lord Castellan's soldiers? Fight, damn you! Where is that Cadian spirit I have heard tell of?
Special tactics ready.
Honor your whole world's memory, guardsman.
Changing magazine. Resupply.
By the numbers, troopers! Aim for the legs of those runners! Keep on your feet! Be ready to move!
Another one dead.
My lord! The gates are open!
Everybody inside, now!
Yes, my lord!
Should we not eliminate the remains of the swarm?
There will always be more. We must focus on taking down the hive ship.
Guardsman, get these gates closed.
Yes, my lord! Transmitting command now! Stand by!
Do not relent in your attacks.
Never seen orbs do that.
Makes them easier to kill.
You have yet to see the worst of them.
Oh, I look forward to it.
Major Sakana,
Go ahead!
we met with one of your squads.
Thank you, my lord. I shall give them new orders.
The way is clear.
Holy terror. I just fought beside Space Marine.
Looks like a slaughter.
No excuse for cowardice.
They will not get past this.
Awaiting orders to attack. Major, do you read?
This is Lieutenant Titus. Identify yourself.
Captain Iden, sir. Our long-range comms were damaged in battle.
They must be close.
Hold fast, Captain. We are coming.
Is just beyond those gates.
There must be a console that opens them.
Munitions secured.
Another one dead.
Restocking. Restocking. Resupplying. Munitions secured. Restocking. Zargana,
Receiving.
we have made contact with Captain Iden.
Aiden! I thought him lost.
We are approaching his position now.
Can you patch me through?
Working on it.
By the Emperor.
Link established. Go ahead, Major.
Captain Aiden, I thought you a dead man.
Not today, sir.
You're tougher than Grok's hide.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Aiden, we need to take back those orbital guns.
I've got armor ready to roll.
See it done, Captain.
Yes, sir. Let's give him a taste of Cadian wrath.
Those are some real.
Guardsman! Honor your Emperor!
With great pleasure, my lord. That cursed gate is in our way.
Then let us remove it! The controls must be nearby! Soldiers, do your work! The controls are in that tower! Make use of them!
The way is clear.
Munition secured.
Gate is opening.
Squad, move your raggedy backsides through that gate now!
Move to link up with the Cadians.
As you command, Lieutenant.
Reloading weapon.
facility will take time.
A little redecorating will speed things up, my lord.
Another.
Terror! What is that?
Zoanthrope! Take it down. While it lives, the other creatures are harder to kill.
By the numbers, troopers!
Major, we have retaken the facility.
Praise the Emperor. Boarding a Valkyrie now, heading to you.
Clear!
Get these guns online! Move! We'll punch a hole in those hive ships so big you can fly a frigate through it!
It won't let that happen without a fight.
It's...
The hive mind. The Tyranid's powerful collective intelligence. Not to be underestimated.
Major, the guns are in a zero state of charge. It will take time to wake the machine spirit.
Hurry!
The Tyranids will throw everything they have at this facility.
This is Major Sarkana. Divert 2nd and 3rd platoon to the orbital guns immediately.
Copy that, sir.
Let's show these bastards what the 8th are made of!
Tactics.
Major, we need to establish a perimeter.
My troops are in defensive positions. They'll hold.
The enemy will try to scale these walls. Do not let them.
I have no plans to.
Northern wall is breached.
Concentrate your fire! No hesitation!
Get them off that wall! One big grenade will fix that. us make haste.
Hold them up!
Restocking. Munitions secured. Hold this position.
Loading fresh magazine.
Assist where possible, but do not linger. The targeting system is our priority. Yes, my lord. They never learn.
My lord, this elevator will take you up to the controls.
We'll keep the Xenos off your back!
Emperor protect you.
Major Sarkana, we are almost at the targeting system.
You need to manually raise the petals of the satellite dish.
We will see it done. Major, I see the mechanisms. Stand by.
Be alert! The Tyranids have taken notice of you.
Let them come. Keep them off me while I get this done. One down.
Reloading!
Done. Go for the next one. One left.
I have to reload.
We are done.
My lord! The gargoyles are heading for the antenna!
They need to destroy the targeting system.
See that they fail.
Switching magazine. Xenos destroyed.
Here come the winged vermin. Protect the antenna. Changing magazine.
antenna!
Vermin stuff.
The enemy are going for the antenna! Eliminate them!
Changing magazine. Restocking.
The enemy have damaged the antenna!
Reload. Zoanthrope eliminated. Another one dead. Reloading weapon.
Gotcha.
Munitions secured.
The guns are ready! Use the terminal to begin targeting!